Once again, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Last time, this time we talk about Squid Game Season 3 trailer coming this spring. New male doll, darker game. The global phenomenon that the Squid Game is generating a first final chilling chapter, and Netflix has given us just a few glimpses into the tantalizing third and final season. They have already confirmed that Season 3 will launch on June 27, 2025. And given that there is not much time left, rumor and pointing to a May 2025 release for the trailer. And the anticipating around the season has fans worldwide on the edge of their seat because there have been many hints that this final episode will be even darker and more dramatic than anything we saw in the past two seasons, which is saying a lot. The newly released first and they took photos paint the picture that games are involving and the stakes are higher than ever. Netflix release of the season 3 image was preceded by a short 70-second teaser video they posted earlier in the year, and they showed a big surprise in the caption. Everyone say hi to the Chulso. Season 3 coming in 2025 Squid Game, and Chulso is a new male doll, and the combined with the photo give the impression that season 3 will be the darkest yet. Building on the momentous success of season 2, which commented it places Netflix third most watched season ever with a stretching 68 million views. The upcoming installment promises to plunge viewer back into the heart of a dystopian nightmare. But this time the familiar terror of the Young Hyo, the iconic red light green light doll, is amplified by the looming presence of a new figure. Cheol Soo first hinted it a cryptic post-credit scene. Cheol Soo unfolded reveal signals and the signals a significant explanation in the series' already brutal narrative. The photos unveiled during Netflix 2025 and this late presentation are more than just promotional material. They are the narrative and the breadcrumb. They hint at the explosive new content, suggesting a series of games that will push and the contestant and viewers to their absolute limit. The introduction of the Cheol Soo is particularly significant, and in the context of the Korean folklore, dolls and the dolls often carry continuation of the malevolence and spiritual possession, a theme that Squid Game has masterfully exploited by introducing male counterpart to the Young Hyo. The series is not just adding a new character, it's deepening the psychological horror, and that's become its trademark. The strategic expansion of the doll mythology also reflects a broader trend in contemporary horror where familiar childhood symbols are twisted into sources and dread. Consider the resurgence of the creepy doll narrative in films like The Annabelle and the M3 Gan, which tap into primal and the fear surrounding innocence corrupted. Squid Game is tapping into this time and the same psychological space, leveraging the unsettling nature of doll to amplify the series theme of the dispersion and the survival, depression, and the dark side of human nature. Furthermore, and the furthermore, the anticipation for season 3 is not just about the game; it's just the social commentary that Squid Game has become renowned for. The series has resonated globally because it holds a measure of the anxiety of our time, economic inequality, social satisfaction, and the dehumanizing effect of the capitalism. The introduction of new and the introduction and the more complex game and the scene star doll that in for them suggest that season 3 will delve even deeper into this theme, offering a final unflinching critique of the system that drive people to extreme measure. With only month remaining until the June 2025 premiere, the world is holding its breath. The final chapter of Squid Game is not just a television event, it's a cultural phenomenon, a dark reflection of our own reality that promises to leave a lasting impact. And Squid Game Season 3 release date. Netflix has officially confirmed that Squid Game Season 3 is set to premiere on June 27 and 2025. And Squid Game Season 3 will premiere in June 2025 on Netflix as confirmed by a post on their site. The final season will feature a more dangerous game with the return of the Young Hee and the introduction of our coming Cheol Seon. Season 2 broke Netflix record with the 68 million views, becoming the third most watched season in the platform history and built with new photos. Netflix has ignited fan excitement with the release of several photos for Squid Game Season 3, revealing new game character and the return of familiar faces ahead of its June 2025, and the photo for Squid Game final season has generated massive interest across social media platforms since its debut. Season 2 previously broke record as the third most watched season on Netflix, and first look image unveiled. The photo shows striking image that highlight the deadly competition evolution, most notably the ear and the silhouettes of the Young Hyo and her company and the companion. She also, as the prominent, confirmed that the doll character from season 2, the post-credit scenes are returning. The footage featured new game arena with detail and the set design suggesting more complex challenges for the contestant. On hunting event displays a large mail-like structure light up with the famous pink lightning. The release photos also show the increased production scale for the final season. Creator Hwang Dong-hyuk seemed to have received a large budget to bring its vision for the series conclusion to life, and release date announced. Returning character and the Lee Jung-jae reprising his role as the Seong Ji-hoon, the season 1 winner who vowed to take down the organization behind the deadly game. His character returned with a renowned purpose after the event of season 2. Lee Byung-hun continues as the mystery frontman, the masked leader who oversees the lethal competition. His complex backstory and the motivation are expected to be further explored in final season. Wee Ha-jun returned as police detective Hwang Jun-hoon, whose investigation into the game has become increasingly dangerous. His character arc has been a fan favorite throughout the series. This returning actor will be bring continuity to their narrative while their character face the new challenges in the final installment of the trilogy. And new addition the cast and the Im Si-won and the Kang Ha-neol join the cast as the new contender cup in the deadly competition. Both actors bring impressive content from previous Korean drama and the film. Park and the Jeon Young, whose character was first teased in season 2 post-credit scene, take on a significant role in the final season. Her character connection to the scene star Doll Young. He promises to add a new dimension to the story. Now we talk about update to anticipate before the premiere. Netflix has officially announced that Squid Game Season 3 will premiere on June 27, 2025, and it also appear to be the male counterpart to the Young Hee, the Gyan doll from season 1. Red Light, Green Light game, both characters sister and the Silhouette were hinted at the season 2 post-credit scene. Will all episodes of Squid Game season 3 be released simultaneously? Yes, all episodes of Squid Game season 3 will drop at once on the release date. Netflix has confirmed the entire final season will be available for streaming on June 27. And what would viewers expect in terms of plot for Squid Game season 3? Season 3 will continue Ji-hoon's quest for revenge against the organization behind the deadly game. The post-credit scene from season 2 featuring Jong-hyo and Chol-sun suggests even more brutal challenges await contestant. Director Hwang later teased that frontman will serve as the worthy opponent, and to Ji-hoon, the season promises to wrap up the narrative thread established in previous installments. Season 2 becomes Netflix's third most watched season, over 68 million views upon the final season, aimed to provide a satisfying conclusion to the global phenomenon. I hope you will enjoy this video. Like and subscribe my channel next time. Goodbye.